So I'm going to invite the next person to speak, and that's our Chief Imam of Ilaro, Imam Tajudeen Adewunmi, for his comments. So before Baba gets to the podium, I will tell you one of the things we've done, for him last year and this year. In 2023, we told him, I sent a message that we are coming to pay him a visit. He said, okay, don't worry. So you are the one sent. Enter the car and let's go. So he just came and the whole place was scattered. Baba Imam Muzaran. I said, we didn't send for Imam to come to us. We are going to him to go and greet him. So that shows the level of humility of our Chief Imam. May God continue to honor him. And so last year we didn't tell him. We just got to his door. This year also we did the same thing. So I don't know the strategy that is going to work next year. So we love you, Baba. Thank you very much. Please make your comments, sir.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I want to appeal passionately to my father, the Amir of the Ahmadiyya, to allow me to stand on the existing protocol, even though I will say Kabisi to my father, the Royal Majesty, my Royal Majesty and the Pamalullah of the land. Jamaatul Ahmadiyya, let me repeat my salama and say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I have just a message of congratulations to this great Jama'ah, because I am an insider and I'm part and parcel of this Jama'ah. So I congratulate the Jama'ah to Ahmadiyya for this 71st conference in Ilaro here. And please don't forget that we have promised that this thing will remain in Ilaro forever. I don't see anybody that will come out one day and say we are taking it to the middle belt. This is the middle belt. So I pray that all the prayers that we say here, Almighty Allah will accept them. It is a congregation that belongs to Ilaro, because I was telling the Amir 4 days ago that in Ilaro, number of people, 36,000 people, saying Surah Al-Fatiha 20 times a day in a town. That town will enjoy that for the next 1 century. And if it comes annually, it is my prayer that when next you are coming here in year 2027, you will meet the governor of Ogun State being a son of Ilaro. Shall we say Amen with me? We have spoken with our father, the Amir of the Ahmadiyya, that we are grateful for this. It is great. And it is my pleasure that Ahmadiyya will not wait and say that this is enough. I think that we shall be progressing in everything, in education, in economies, in anything, that all the things that make this nation a great place. Ilaro is part of Ogun State, and I wish that Ahmadiyya with these prayers, I think things that we cannot find in Egbaland, in Ijebu and Rema will come the way of Ilaro very soon, inshallah. Congratulations to all members of the Ahmadiyya. I pray that all the prayers that we say here, Allah the Almighty will answer all our prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Chief Imam Ilaro.
Sindaba.